Hello and welcome to an exciting new era of AI-powered assistance with Google Bard. As you all know that Google Bard has been launched in over 180 countries and it is free to use, no more waitlist. You can access it right now. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go and subscribe to get the daily dose of our videos. Just write bard.google.com in a browser. You need to sign in first. Sign in with your Google account. So you will come across this interface. Write your prompt over here. Write anything. I am starting with who are you? I am a bard and it is still under development. It will try its best to follow our instructions and complete our request thoughtfully. The good thing is you can Google your prompt right away from here. Just click here. Here, who are you? The prompt you have given. Click here and it will open who are you and this will give you search results. Going back. So now I am going to give Bard some prompts and let's see what type of answers we get. Could you please provide me a list of top universities in the US that are offering PhD in mass communication? So these are the universities that are offering PhD in mass communication. And a brief detail about these universities. We can Google it directly from here. Going forward, I am going to ask Google Bard to generate a Google Map link that pinpoints the location of the first university. Could you please generate a Google Map link that pinpoints the location of the first university? So it has generated a link. Going to copy it. Let's visit it. Here you go. The link has opened Google Maps location of this university. Going back to Google Bard. Now I'm going to ask to generate a table. So the table has been created. Now going to ask to add a column which should indicate if the university is public or private, which indicates whether each university is public or private. Let's see. Yes. Public, 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 private, private, private. Add another column indicating the acceptance rate of each university. So another column has been added indicating the acceptance rate of each university. So you can customize and add as many columns as you want. Now going at the bottom, if you could see it, there is an option of export response. If you click at here, export to docs. If we click at export to docs, creating document, open docs, so you can export those results as well in different fonts. And now I'm going to ask to give me a spreadsheet online link so I could download it and edit it. So the link has been generated. So you can visit the link and download it as a spreadsheet. Now I'm going to ask who is the enrollment manager of the first university. So it tells me that this is a person who is enrollment manager at the university. So this is the manager of overall university, right? By the way, it gave me the LinkedIn profile of that enrollment manager. If I visit this link, so the link is correct. So we can Google about this prompt directly from here, as I told you earlier. If I click at Google, so it generates relevant questions automatically. Now what I'm going to do is I'm asking Bard to generate an email to enrollment management asking about the admission criteria. So the email has been generated. By the way, we can draft an email directly by clicking over here, draft in Gmail. If we hit that here, new email has been created, open Gmail. So the email has been created. So in the subject line, my prompt is written, and this is the result. You can delete this. Email has been drafted directly from Google Bard. Just write the recipient's email and click at send, and you are done. By the way, you can rate the responses as well, good response or bad response. If you want to reset chat, just hit over here. The chat history has been reset. You can check the FAQs, frequently asked questions, updates, help and support. If you need any help or support, you can use the dark theme as well. The interface in dark theme is similar to what ChatGPT has. Google Bard claims that in near future it will revolutionize the way users interact with AI by allowing various extensions to seamlessly integrate with its platform. One exciting example is Adobe Firefly, an upcoming extension that will empower its users to transform their imaginative ideas into stunning visual images. The possibilities for creativity and productivity will be endless, with the promise of more exciting extensions on the horizon. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned for all the incredible updates that await. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to ensure you never miss out on the latest developments. It's an exhilarating journey you won't want to miss. Thank you very much for watching this.